Okay, so something came up. So this is for part 5 of question 2. Okay, so given a fully connected directed graph, a topological sort can never exist. So what is a topological sort? A topological sort is an ordering of the vertices in a graph such that all edges in that ordering point from left to right. Okay, so suppose we have such a graph. Okay, notice that we can order the vertices in this graph A, B, C, D such that all of the edges point from left to right, right? So that's what it means to have a topological sort, is an ordering of the vertices such that if we were to redraw the graph on this ordering, all of the edges point from left to right. Okay, and you can kind of think about a topological sort as an order of execution, right? We should first do A, then we can do B, then we can do C, then we can do E, right? Like imagine if it's taking classes at Berkeley, right? I can make this 61A, 61B, 61C, and then I don't know, 170, right? Like that's like a topological sort here is a way of telling us how to take these classes. Okay, so topological sort actually has some like meaningful real world implications. Cool, nice. So let's look at this question now. A fully connected directed graph where an edge exists between every pair of vertices. Can we have a topological sort? So let's see here. It seems intuitively that if we have a ton of edges in a graph, it's harder to create a topological sort. But I can create a simple counterexample. Let's say that we have this graph right here, and between every pair of vertices, we're going to create an edge just going from the left to the right, right? So what we see in this counterexample is between every pair of vertices, there's an edge that goes from the one early in the alphabet to the one later. And because of that, we fulfill these criteria that it's fully connected, it's directed, and an edge exists between each pair of vertices, and we can see that a topological sort exists, right? Because all of the edges go from left to right. Okay, that's all for this discussion. I think the last question will hopefully be taken up by someone else. Yeah, have a good one.